What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and we are with a 2014 Toyota Tundra. We have Auxbeam's new 4-row LED light bar that we're going to throw on it today. So yeah, we're going to see a lot more from this truck as we trick it out, but today let's get ready to install this 4 LED row light bar. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the grill. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips heads, and then 2 of these clips that pop out. I already did that, and this is the clip you're going to be looking for. What you do is you stick a flat head in and pry it up, and then you should be able to pull the whole clip out. And these are the Phillips head screws. I ended up using a 10mm, which works just as well. So you can put the whole end on, whole cap into the 10mm, and it'll pull it out just the same. So what I'm doing right now is I'm lining up the light bar to mark where I'm going to drill and use that as a mounting point for the light bar. Alright, so we got the 4-row LED light bar from Auxbeam mounted. We used a 5/16 drill bit to drill right through this metal thing. We then used the supplied screws to mount it on here so it's on here securely. And tomorrow I'll have to get to the wiring because I don't have the harness with me today. It just came in the mail literally 5 minutes ago. So it's already mounted. I'm going to throw the grill back on to see how it looks, and then we'll come back tomorrow and wire it up. What's up guys, day 2. We're with the 2014 Toyota Tundra. Just to recap, we installed the light bar, as you can see right here in the front. Now we're gonna run the harness. So I'm gonna hook up the harness to the light bar and then run it through the firewall and then hook the switch up on the interior. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to use this here. This is basically a grommet that goes through the firewall. I'm gonna puncture a hole, which I'm gonna run a fish wire through and pull the rest of the harness through into the cabin. Okay, so we have our wiring harness here. I have this running through the firewall right back there. Let me get you in focus so you guys can see it. So that's taking you all the way inside the car, and there's the wires standing right there. So let's complete what we got to do in the engine bay. What we have here is we have a relay, we have a positive negative that's going to go to the battery terminal, and we have a fuse in between that. We have the line going into the car, and then here we have a positive negative going to the light bar. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. It goes just red to red and black to black. That. Okay, so that's secured. And then what we're going to do is we're going to test it out. I'm going to plug in the battery, the rocker, I'm going to plug in these to the terminal and then plug it into the rocker switch and see if it turns on. so on the inside, again, we have our connector to the harness, and I just put the switch up over here. It's sticking out a little bit just because this opening isn't as wide as the actual rocker switch. So I'm gonna have to modify that in the future. But as you can see, it's not moving anywhere much, and the switch works. So I think I'm gonna keep it there for now, and get the content of having the light bar on at night, and then we'll play around with modifying this so that it fits. Okay, so there you guys have it, the 4-row LED light bar from Auxbeam. Simply installed with the rocker switch and the harness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it easy to follow. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Definitely hit up Auxbeam. They have more LED light bars to offer as the one on my Subi. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya! Alright, so real quick, this is the 4 LED row light bar, and then that's the Cross series on the Subi. They're both tremendously bright. And equally badass.